I am visiting Brazil at the request of the Brazilian Minister of Health, who extended an invitation to the Syrian Minister of Health and the entire Syrian Ministry of Health itself to participate in the biggest hepatitis seminar in Brazil. With regard to the situation in Syria, after 7 years of planned and premeditated terror, the health sector suffered so much, with the destruction of hospitals, health centers, emergency response organizations, and pharmaceutical plants. However, in the last 4 years, responsible and energetic actions by the government, and in particular the Ministry of Health, have restored several hospitals, health centers, and pharmaceutical plants that used to export to 58 countries prior to the conflict. These factories have resumed production and are currently exporting to 13 countries around the world. My visit to Brazil has another goal, which relates to the lack of medications in Syria due to a unilateral boycott by countries in the Americas and in Europe. One of the topics we discussed in our meeting with the Arab-Brazilian Chamber of Commerce was the issue of rebuilding Syria with the help of the Chamber and all of Brazilian society through the investment of capital in Syria.
A comunidade síria no Brasil.
The Syrian community in Brazil is quite significant, not only for the country, but for our activities as the Arab-Brazilian Chamber. We are closely monitoring everything that is happening in Syria in these recent times, and he was able to tell us much more about this today. This has left us quite motivated, especially with regard to collaborating toward the reconstruction of the country. The Arab-Brazilian Chamber of Commerce organized quite a large project for the Middle East, and especially for Syria, which began in 2008. The Chamber provided support for a group of doctors, myself included, to prospect opportunities for helping needy populations inside Syria, as well as other nations, in addition to providing training and helping with the installation of new specialized centers in Syria. This all came to a halt because of the war, but today I was able to show the minister the possibilities we now have and which the Arab-Brazilian Chamber continues to perform in Syria.
Empenhada nisso.